All right, Eric Stromquist here at CGNA 2016 in Newport Beach. I'm here with the director of CGNA, Mike Sackett.
Thank you.
Man, thanks for taking a few minutes to speak with us.
My pleasure.
So, our Controltrends viewers know we talk ad nauseum about being members of Controls Group North America, but Mike, tell our listeners about the group and what makes it so special.
We have got the elite of the business, that's for sure. Of all the elements in the controls business, we've got the best manufacturers, best distributors, some of the smartest people in the industry, and I feel fortunate to get to work with these people day in and day out, and it's just a real joy to spend time with guys like you, listening to all the insights, the movers and shakers, and it's a dynamic business.
A teacher of mine once said, together we're better, and I think that there's best example of this is Controls Group North America, because you got a group of diverse distributors. Like Mike said, it's a very high bar to become a distributor in CGNA. It's also a very high bar to become a vendor of CGNA, a preferred vendor. But we come together once a year with our vendors, and there's generally a theme. We work on it. We're continuously trying to improve, and this year was a great speaker we had this year.
Bob Burnatz of the Table Group was outstanding. He really, I think, hit a home run. 4 hours between his keynote and his workshop of talking about really building high-performing teams, and went through all the fundamentals of teamwork, assembling the teams, how they integrate, how you organize them, how you keep them on track. It's, I think it was a bell ringer. Everybody was very impressed, and the thing I like is that everybody has something to take back to their business and can implement.
Yeah, they absolutely do, Mike. And I tell you what, you've been around the industry a while, and I have too, and we've seen change over the years, but the rate of change, I've never seen it quite at this rate. From everything I read and see, things are just going to happen much, much quicker. Sure. So I think the meetings at CGNA allow us to really stay on top of these trends.
Technology is changing everything. E-commerce, wireless, I mean, just the devices we carry around in our pockets are game changers. And so we have to adapt, and what we're hoping for is that by working with what we think is the best of the best, that we're going to be on the front end of innovation and not trailing. That in our mind, that's the key. We've got to keep pushing the bar higher, going faster, making life, of all things, simpler through sophistication.
When you guys got some of the best IT marketing people that collectively we were able to use and get together, but to your point, I think a great example of meeting a need in the marketplace and coming together, which was kind of an amazing feat, was Control Central. Tell our listeners a little bit about that.
Well, Control Central was an initiative that we put together a few years ago that used the size and breadth of our group's inventory, along with our technology smarts, to put together an e-commerce company providing the biggest, most robust e-commerce platform in the controls industry. It's truly staggering. Growth rate's been really phenomenal in what has been kind of a stagnant economy. 2015 we grew by 43%. We're not matching it this year, but still doing outstanding. So Control Central is a game changer.
One, I think what makes it a very unique sort of concept is you've got a lot of companies out there that are, they basically could fit in the size of here. They basically have a website. They've got a nice website, but they're not stocking anything. They provide no technical support. I think with Control Central, you've got the inventory of the top 45 to 49 distributors in the world. Plus you get local support if you need it. Now, I would encourage you to order from your local distributor first, but some people just, they're in the habit of buying from those Swiss people, the Alps people or whatever, and they're looking for an alternative to that. And I think you guys provide a great alternative to that sort of thing, because not only do you get great prices, you get the inventory, you get the shipping, plus you get the local support if you need it.
Yep, that's true. And again, Control Central is simply leveraging off of our organization. The people like Stromquist back up what we're doing in the e-commerce world. Truthfully, we can't exist without you guys. But the combination of brick and mortar plus e-commerce plus our database and catalog is really unsurpassed.
Oh, it is, and continually getting better. I mean, we've seen the roadmap for what you guys are thinking about for CGNA, CGNA members, and CGNA members customers. So I would encourage you, go to cgnacontrols.net, click on the link, find out who your local CGNA distributor is, because I can tell you what, you work with your local CGNA distributor, good things will happen.
Thank you.
All right, Mike, thanks so much. Mike Sackett, cgnacontrols.net. Check them out.
Appreciate it.